Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Kulvinder Kaur. I hope you all are safe and doing well. Do you feel like people are taking advantage of you, take you for granted? Many times it happens that people take advantage of you, take you for granted for being too nice to them. That upsets you. You don't know how to deal with it. You get used and abused for being nice to them. So you need to put stop to it. Stop people to use and abuse you all the time. If this is happening to you too, so this video is for you. Be tuned till the end. I'm going to tell about through a short story. Once there was a village. In this village, there was a snake which used to harass all the people of the village. Used to bite, used to scare, and used to disturb the peace and harmony of the villages. One fine day, there was a holy man who visited the villages, and all the villages gathered and they complained to this very powerful noble priest. They said, there is a snake in the village who keeps on creating nuisance for us. And at times he bites us, he is creating a lot of problem for us. So this priest summoned the snake, and the snake was there. And the priest commanded the snake that from now on you dare not disturb the peace and harmony of the villages, and you remain at peace, or else I will thrash you. Snake said sorry and went. As days passed by, the snake was very calm, composed, and peaceful. The villagers saw the snake, who was not attacking this time. They started making fun of the snake. People started throwing stone on the snake. People started hurting the snake. People started hitting the snake with the stick. And this time the villagers were creating the nuisance for the snake. And the snake was harassed. After a few days, the same holy person, the priest, visited this particular village. And this time the snake went to this priest and complained about the villages and their harassment. The holy priest smiled and said, I asked you not to disturb them, not to hurt them. But if somebody attack your respect, somebody attack your dignity, somebody oppresses you, then do not allow them to take your advantage. So don't hurt them, don't bite them, but you can always raising your voice like hiss and scare them and protect yourself from such people. This story is very useful for us. The moral of the story is it is good to be good. It is good to be nice and pleasant. But if somebody attacks you, takes you for granted, manipulates you, then stop being nice. So today we will discuss about how to deal with people who are taking advantage of you. First step is stop being nice and start being kind. Being unoffensive and agreeable is not always the best strategy. I will make you understand with the example so that you can connect easily. It's finally the weekend and you are ready to take a well deserved rest with me, myself, and I. And at the same time, a friend asks you to help them with super important presentation. You are exhausted, but you just can't say no and you help them. When work is done, they don't consider your gratitude. They don't give you the importance as you should have. Well, it's time to learn. because always being good or being nice is not good at all. You don't take me wrong here. Being a sweet and caring person is great, but sometimes being too good to people is actually bad for you. They consider your love and respect as your weakness and stupidity. It's not your job to make everyone happy. Second step, set appropriate boundaries and limits. You get to decide how far people can come to take advantage of you. You get to decide it. You need to tell them their limits. I will not allow this limit be crossed. People won't respect your boundaries if you don't tell them. After telling them once, if they will cross their limits, tell them again. If they cross it again, tell them it's not acceptable. Even then, they don't care, then you must understand that this person does not care. You should remove it from your life. It seems very simple, but it is very hard. If you don't do this, then people will take your advantage. Third step, practice of forgiveness. This is easier when we understand what forgiveness is. Forgiveness is not saying it's okay for what you did to me, for what just happened to me. Is it okay for someone to abuse you, to take advantage of you? No, no, my dear friends. So don't say it's okay. Forgiveness is not pardoning someone for their crime. It doesn't mean that you always keep abusing. I think forgiveness is letting go. Do you remember the story of Cinderella? Cinderella was about to leave with her Prince Charming. She stops, she turns around to her stepmother and says three words, I forgive you. Then she turns and leaves with her Prince Charming. Cinderella mean to say over here, I'm heading off to my Prince Charming, but I still got stuff in my mind. I'm going to leave it here. You can do whatever you want with that. Forgiveness is letting go of this burden. You don't carry a burden of wrongful deed by someone in your mind. You forgive and forget. Another sign of being people pleaser is approval of others. This is not secret that we like to be liked. This is just a part of human nature. We strive to feel included and appreciated by others. But sometimes this desire turns into valuing other opinion much more than we should have. Some people seriously dependent on this and forget their own beliefs, thoughts, feelings, desires, and wishes. And they only do what others expect from them and scared to disappoint their partner, family, friends, and co workers. Let's move on to another point, which suggests you avoid conflict at all cost. People don't cut off communication with a friend who always asks them for a favor but never returns it. They stay with a partner who takes them for granted. They help out a co-worker who doesn't respect them and gets work done at their expenses. It seems like nice people gravitate towards those who exploit their kindness. Users are great manipulators. They know to get what they want. They usually play the victims to making feel sorry for them. So at that time, you don't stop being kind, but at the same time, you stop being nice. Stand up for your rights, talk it out, express your concern, share your displeasure. and don't remain like silent, oppressed, and dumb. Smile and spread smile. This much is enough for today. Thanks for watching this video. We'll meet soon in next video. Stay safe and happy. Bye bye.